kidney health, and more specifically, the 7 foods that can optimize your kidney function. The information provided in this video is not intended to provide or replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Our kidneys play a pivotal role in our body's health, filtering waste products, regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and much more. So, let's help them out by feeding them well. Here are the top 7 foods for optimal kidney function. 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a true powerhouse when it comes to boosting kidney health. They are low in potassium, a crucial aspect for those needing to manage kidney function carefully. An excess of potassium can be harmful to those with kidney disease, and red bell peppers can provide flavor and nutrients without overloading your system with potassium. Red bell peppers are also a great source of several vital vitamins. They contain generous amounts of vitamin C and A, which are potent antioxidants known to prevent cell damage. These vitamins boost your immune system and help fend off any potential diseases that could affect kidney health. Additionally, red bell peppers are rich in vitamin B6 and folic acid. Vitamin B6 plays a significant role in creating red blood cells and neurotransmitters, while folic acid is essential for forming the genetic material in every body cell. Both are crucial for maintaining overall health, including that of your kidneys. Furthermore, the lycopene in red bell peppers, a type of carotenoid that gives them their vibrant color, has been associated with a reduced risk of kidney disease. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant known to prevent oxidative stress, thereby maintaining kidney health. 2. Apples. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you know it can also keep kidney issues at bay? Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes them excellent for kidney health. The fiber found in apples helps to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from injury. In addition, apples contain a type of fiber called pectin, which can help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or high cholesterol, both of which can affect kidney function if not managed properly. Apples are also rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from damage by free radicals. They contain quercetin, a flavonoid known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can contribute to kidney health. Moreover, the high water content in apples also supports hydration, which is crucial for proper kidney function. Hydration helps your kidneys clear toxins from your body efficiently, promoting overall kidney health. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage is a kidney-friendly superfood that is packed with phytochemicals. These compounds are known to help break apart free radicals before they can do damage. This is crucial for maintaining kidney health, as free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to damage to your kidney cells. Cabbage is also high in vitamin K and vitamin C and fiber, all of which contribute to kidney health. Vitamin K plays a significant role in bone health and blood clotting, while vitamin C aids in iron absorption and boosts immunity. On the other hand, fiber aids digestion and helps manage blood sugar levels, all important factors for optimal kidney function. One of the most significant advantages of cabbage for those with kidney concerns is its low potassium content. For individuals with kidney disease who need to watch their potassium intake, incorporating cabbage into their diet can be a great way to enjoy a variety of dishes without worrying about potassium levels. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries, despite their small size, are mighty when it comes to health benefits. These little berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to protect against heart disease and cancer. Anthocyanins are the compounds that give blueberries their blue color, and they are known for their powerful antioxidant properties. These antioxidants can help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, including the kidneys. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney disease and other health problems, so consuming a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like blueberries can be beneficial. Furthermore, Blueberries are a good source of vitamin C and fiber, promoting kidney health. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells, including those in the kidneys, from damage. Fiber, on the other hand, helps control blood sugar levels, which is crucial for people with diabetes, a risk factor for kidney disease. 5. Fish. Fish, particularly fatty ones like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation in the body and thus help keep the kidneys healthy. Inflammation can lead to kidney damage and disease, so a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids can be beneficial for kidney health. Additionally, fish provides high-quality protein, which is necessary for building and repairing tissues in the body, including the kidneys. Unlike red meat, fish protein is less likely to contribute to kidney damage or disease. Moreover, fish is an excellent source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and calcium absorption. People with kidney disease often have low levels of vitamin D, so consuming fish can help maintain the appropriate levels. 6. Garlic. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines worldwide, has been long known for its health benefits. For kidneys, its antioxidant properties are especially crucial. These properties help mop up harmful substances in our bodies, preventing damage to our kidneys. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Allicin can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors that can lead to kidney damage. Furthermore, garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can improve kidney health. High blood pressure and high cholesterol can put extra strain on the kidneys, leading to kidney disease over time. Garlic also has diuretic properties, which can help your kidneys flush out excess sodium in water, reducing pressure on these vital organs and promoting their overall health. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is a heart-healthy oil that is also beneficial for your kidneys. It is loaded with oleic acid, an anti-inflammatory monounsaturated fat that is resistant to oxidation. This resistance to oxidation means that olive oil does not create harmful substances when heated, making it a healthy choice for cooking. In addition, olive oil contains antioxidants and polyphenols, which protect your kidneys. These antioxidants can help neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing oxidative stress and damage to the kidneys. Moreover, the healthy fats in olive oil can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney disease, so incorporating olive oil into your diet can help protect these vital organs. Olive oil can also help manage blood sugar levels, which is important for individuals with diabetes. High blood sugar can damage the kidneys over time, so it is important to manage these levels for optimal kidney health.